If you need a solar PV installation for your home or business, and you do not have upfront capital, a rent-to-own model is a good alternative. This is how it works. You need to have a good idea of your consumption and your monthly spend. You could refer to this video for a guide on how you can estimate your current consumption. Then you need to identify the product that you are interested in. Usually these are standard in terms of size and brand. Typically, the smallest backup system with no solar panels is a 5 kilowatt inverter with a 5 kilowatt hour battery from about 2,000 rands per month, depending on the term of the loan. Contract terms typically range from 30 to 60 months, and during this time, if anything goes wrong with the system, you call the solar company to investigate and fix. Maintenance is usually included in your monthly payment. Please do not forget to click on subscribe. That is how we will keep you up to date with developments in solar PV. At the end of the payment term, you will typically take ownership of the system. There are terms and conditions under which this happens. Make sure that you understand these before you sign your contract. Taking ownership of the system means you will be responsible for its maintenance, and so selecting hardware with good support and warranty from the start is very important. Many solar installations come standard with an app that you can use to monitor your consumption at any given time. And top-tier companies go as far as providing additional services, such as geyser monitoring and integration into their app. In conclusion, rent-to-own is a good mechanism to use to acquire a solar PV system if you have no cash available for once-off payment. Even when load shedding improves, faced with future above-inflation electricity price increases, getting an alternative energy supply makes sense.